A heartfelt welcome to our chief guest, Father Ebin CMI, the prefect of Anudhavana Monastery. Father Ebin is a man of vision, unwavering dedication, and deep humility. His leadership, innovative ideas, and compassionate spirit make him an inspiring figure for all of us. Let us all welcome Father with a huge round of applause. I now invite Sister Rincy, Principal of Tamil Government High School, Mancherial State Board, to welcome Father with a warm gesture of appreciation. Please give a big round of applause. Please be seated, Father. Next, we are honored to welcome Sister Teresa, a Vicar Provincial and Vice President of Carmel Education Society. Her wisdom, deep care, for the well-being of others and unwavering dedication to the education system have truly made a lasting impact on all our institutions. Let us invite Sister with a thunderous round of applause.
ఒక్క నిమిషం.
I now invite Sister Renette, Principal of CBSE Board, to welcome Sister Teresa with a token of our gratitude. Please be seated, Sister. We are also privileged to have Sister Rosalind, the former provincial and ex-president of Carmel Education Society, and also rendered her services as principal of Carmel Convent High School, Mancherial State Board. Sister Rosalind had shaped the path of Carmel Convent High School, Mancherial through her visionary leadership. We are truly blessed to have Sister Rosalind with us today. I now invite Sister Tissy, Vice Principal of Carmel Convent High School, Mancherial State Board, to extend a warm welcome to our beloved Sister Rosalind with a gesture of respect. Please be seated, Sister. It is now my pleasure to welcome Sister Rincy, our nurturing principal of Carmel Convent High School, Mancherial State Board, whose vision and leadership have made our school a symbol of excellence in education. Her dedication to the growth and well-being of every student and staff member contributes to inspire us all the time. Sister, we welcome you onto the dais. Please give a huge round of applause. I now invite Tyagarajan Sir, Cultural Secretary of CBSE Board, to extend a heartfelt welcome to our beloved Sister Lindsay. I warmly welcome Sister Renette, Principal of CBSE Board, whose commitment to academic excellence and tireless efforts to shaping the young minds continue to inspire everyone around her. Sister, kindly come on to the dais. I now invite Mrs. Harita Ma'am, Head of the Science Department, to warmly welcome our beloved Sister Renette. Once again, a very warm welcome to all our dignitaries on the dais. Now, I humbly request all our distinguished guests to kindly step down for the official flag hoisting ceremony. I request all the students to have a standing ovation. Next, I request Sister Rosalind to offer a garland tribute to the portrait of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Following this, I invite our chief guest, Father Ebin CMI, to hoist the national flag, symbolizing the pride and unity of our great nation. Let us all stand tall and join in this marvelous flag hoisting ceremony.
Salute the flag! Salute! बोलो स्वतंत्र भारत की, भारत माता की, महात्मा गांधी की, सुभाष चंद्र बोस की, अल्लूर सीताराम राज की, भारत माता की, डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर की, भारत माता की, बोलो स्वतंत्र भारत की।
Ancestors, teachers, parents, and dear students. Good morning. Why we are gathered here? For the Republic Day celebration. I will be asking, meanwhile, certain questions, and you should respond to that. You should really do that. Yeah, Carmelites are very good students. You should respond. Otherwise, at the end, I will make a conclusion that Carmel students are not responding to the questions. You should dearly respond to what I ask. Okay. We are gathered here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our nation. That day marks the adoption of our constitution and establishment of India as a sovereign republic. Let me ask you my first question. What is the difference between Independence Day and Republic Day? I am not hearing. You are thousands of people are sitting here and your words are not loud. I should hear here. What is the difference? Here, to simply speaking, the difference between Independence Day and the Republic Day is you are going to give an answer? Give answer? Yes, same.
Republic Day means Constitution. Independence Day means freedom.
John has given the right answer and you are applauding that. Just same day, in 1945, on August 15, we got independence from the foreign rule. That is the first thing what we need to understand. We got freedom from the people of British Army or freedom from their rule. And the second thing is that Republic Day, we got the freedom from the laws or the colonial laws was diminished from our country, and by the leadership of Dr. Ambedkar on 1949, 26th November, they given a draft of constitution and it was being established or came to the power on 26th January 1950. So the two things that we need to understand, one was the power, freedom from the power of colonial rule, and second one is freedom from the colonial laws. When we understand these two things, we need to acknowledge the presence of sacrifices, or commitment, responsibilities, and contributions of our freedom fighters or all those who have contributed to our nation. My second question will be like this: what are you going to be contributing for the well-being or development of our nation, and how it is going to be done. How you are going to contribute to our nation? As a good citizens, as a good students, it is your responsibility to study and study alone. That is the prime and utmost concern of every student of this age. You need to study and you will be developing a concern for the nation through your contributions like creative thinking and critical thinking, or creative or being innovative. A couple of months ago, I have privilege to witness your Fusion Fest. You have done it very well, isn't it? Yeah. And when you have done that Fusion Fest, Sister was invited me to see how beautifully you have created many things. And I was looking around, I see many creative ideas you have brought up, many innovative things you have brought from your home, and a lot of innovative and creative ideas were presented on that day. So, as a good education or good students, you are developing your skills, your creative ideas, your critical thinking for the well-being and development of our nation. That is what is expected from your life as at this time. So, as a good students or future student, good students, it is your duty to be creative, to be innovative, and to be responsible to our nations. Do you love your country? Yeah, we all love our country. So Christ says that love your enemies as you love yourself. What I want to say is love your nation as you love yourself. So that should be our concern to our nation. As we love ourselves, we also need to love our nation. Then we won't throw the waste at anywhere. We won't spit anywhere. We will be responsible citizens of this country. As a Republic Day celebration, let us take this pledge as a loving citizens of this country. Let us make our nation beautiful and also a country where everyone can live with happiness and with freedom. Let us make this Republic Day a celebration and also making a day to be responsible citizens for the future country. Let us all try for that and make our nation proud all over the world and be responsible. Jai Hind and Jai Hind.
Fill it with colors of love, unity, and patriotism.
I am Rakshita of class 9.
And I am Soeb, also from class 9. Together, we are here to take you on a journey of celebration, pride, and joy on the 76th Republic Day of our great nation.
Republic Day is not just a celebration, it's a reminder of the sacrifices made, the unity achieved, and the values that we hold close to our hearts: unity, liberty, and equality.
So let's fill this morning with energy, enthusiasm, and love for our nation. Let's begin this celebration with a promise to uphold the honor of our country. Shall we, Rakshita?
Absolutely! Let's dive into the first act of this wonderful day. Our first performance comes from the primary students. These little stars are here to fill your hearts with joy through their vibrant dance performance. Watch as they step into the rhythm of innocence and patriotism.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a thunderous round of applause as they step forward.
थाम लो दिल को सब ये ज़मीं चूम कर सब कहो झूम कर जिस्म तेरा सोने का हीरे मोती लाल जड़े हैं, अरे जिस्म तेरा सोने का हीरे मोती लाल जड़े हैं, तेरे घर पे हम सब तेरे पहरे लाल जड़े। हम है दोना हम है प्यारे, हम है दोना हम है प्यारे, ओ तेरा जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा, ओ तेरा जलवा जलवा तेरा जलवा तू मनमौजी, मैं हूँ फौजी, तू मनमौजी। खूब मिले दीवाने रोजी, खूब मिले दीवाने। इस मिट्टी के साथ जुड़े हैं फर्ज मोहब्बत रोटी रोजी, फर्ज मोहब्बत रोटी रोजी। दिल के अंदर इश्क का जज्बा, दिल के अंदर इश्क का जज्बा, क्या जलवा क्या जलवा जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा, ओ तेरा जलवा जलवा, क्या जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा, तेरा जलवा जलवा।
And focus. Our crafts and yoga team is ready to show how focus and determination can create wonders.
Prepare to witness the power of punches and calmness of postures as they demonstrate the art of martial discipline and yoga serenity. Let's cheer them on as they step onto the stage.
Six, Swing. Take it three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 84, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, hello, swing, right leg back, 1, 2, 3, 4, swing, right leg back.
The stage with an electrifying performance. This is where energy meets elegance and the rhythm meets patriotism.
So get ready to be blown away as we set the stage on fire with a dynamic performance. Let's make some noise for our superstars.
హరిశ్చంద్రులు సత్యం పలికే హరిశ్చంద్రులు అవసరానికో అబద్ధం నిత్యం నమాజు పూజలు చేస్తాం రోజు తన్నులు చేస్తాం సత్యం పలికే హరిశ్చంద్రుల అవసరానికో అబద్ధం నిత్యం నమాజు పూజలు చేస్తాం రోజు తన్నులు చేస్తాం నమ్మిన ప్రాణాలైనా ఇస్తాం నమ్మడమేనా సృష్టిగా ఉన్నది చట్టం నచ్చకుంటే నీ కర్మం కష్టం వచ్చినా కన్ను నచ్చినా కలరని నవ్వుల ఇంద్రధనుసులు మేమే ఇండియన్స్ మేమే ఇండియన్స్ మేమే ఇండియన్స్ అరే పలికే హరిశ్చంద్రులు అవసరానికో అబద్ధం ఆశయాలు అసలు ఎన్నో మన గుండెల్లో శత్రువుకే ఎదురు నిలిచిన రక్తం మనది దేశాన్ని ప్రేమను మార్చిన దేశం మనది ఈశ్వరల్లా ఎస్ ఒకటే కదరా బస్సు ఎందుకు చందా భూమిలో మంటలు రేపే మాయగాడి కనికట్టు అన్నదమ్ములకు చిచ్చి పెట్టిన రుచాగాళ్ళ పరికట్టు భారతీయులం ఒకటేనంటూ పిడికిలెత్తి వేయబట్టు కుక్కలు చేసే శత్రువు గల తోలు తీసి ఆడబెట్టు దమ్మే ఉంది ధైర్యం ఉంది దమ్మే ఉంది ధైర్యం ఉంది తలవంచని తగపోలే ఉంది ఇండియన్స్ 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 పలికే హరిశ్చంద్రులు అవసరానికో అబద్ధం సత్యం పలికే హరిశ్చంద్రులం అవసరానికో అబద్ధం నిత్యం నమాజు పూజలు చేస్తాం రోజు బంధుకు చేస్తాం నమ్మిత ప్రాణాలైనా ఇస్తాం నమ్మడమేనా కష్టం ముక్తి సృష్టిగా ఉన్నది చెప్తాం నచ్చకుంటే నీ కర్మం కష్టం వచ్చినా కన్ను నచ్చినా కలరని నవ్వుల ఇంద్రధనుసులం ఇండియన్స్ 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 అరే ఇండియన్స్
Guys, now our little celebrities have something very special for us. A charming Telugu conversation filled with innocence and enthusiasm.
Aren't you curious, Shoaib, to see what these tiny tots have prepared for us? I'm sure it's going to be unforgettable and adorable. Let's welcome them with the loudest cheer.
ఉపాధ్యాయులారా మరియు నా మిత్రులారా, ఈ రోజు మనందరికీ ఎంతో గొప్ప రోజు. ఎందుకంటే ఈ రోజు గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవం. అవును జసిక, అందుకే ఆయన్ని మనం రాజ్యాంగ నిర్మాతని గౌరవిస్తాము. మన దేశం గణతంత్ర కంటే ప్రజల పాలన కదా. ప్రజలు తమ నాయకులను ఎన్నుకుంటారు. ఇది మన దేశపు పెద్ద ఉదాహరణ. అవునవనిక, మన దేశంలో అందరికీ సమాన హక్కులు ఉన్నాయి. మన రాజ్యాంగం ఎవరికి అన్యాయం జరగకుండా రక్షిస్తుంది. మనకు ఈ హక్కులు రావడానికి ఎంతో మంది స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధులు తమ ప్రాణాలను అర్పించారు. మహాత్మా గాంధీ గారు, నెహ్రూ గారు, సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్ గారు, ఇంకెంతో మంది. వారి త్యాగాల వల్లే మనం ఈ రోజు స్వేచ్ఛగా బతుకుతున్నాం. పాఠశాలకు వెళ్ళడం, మనసులోని మాటలు చెప్పడం, ఇవన్నీ వారి త్యాగాల ఫలితమే. మరియు మనము కూడా వారి కళలను నిజం చేయాలి. మంచి పాఠాలు నేర్చుకొని మంచి పౌరులుగా మారాలి. మన జాతీయ పదార్థం త్రివర్ణం మన గర్వం. కాషాయం త్యాగానికి గుర్తు, తెలుపు శాంతికి గుర్తు, ఆకుపచ్చ అభివృద్ధికి గుర్తు. చివరిగా మన దేశాన్ని ప్రేమిద్దాం, కాపాడుదాం మరియు అభివృద్ధి పదంలో నడిపిద్దాం. జై హింద్, జై హింద్.
To the talented performers who have given us this unforgettable experience. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी है जैसे है उस पे हम नाज हैं। चाहिए हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आसमान, गानबाज हम शानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिलवाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते के हाल से इंडिया वाले, छूते हाल से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले। तो सीधे बड़े कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लखनऊ चुरा। परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने के जुगले बनाया बुरा। जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी। दिल से यार जो निकाल तो जान साल कर गाए, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते के हाल से इंडिया वाले, छूते हाल से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली पे सब लोग नचाते हम इंडिया वाले।
आँखों की चाबी से, चाबी से चुपके से खोले देने वाले। जाने
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते के हाल से इंडिया वाले, छूते हाल से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ाते हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के esteemed chief guest, Father Eben CMI, for gracing this occasion and inspiring us with his words of wisdom. Thank you so much, Father. My sincere gratitude to Sister Teresa and Sister Rosalind for sparing your valuable time with us. A very big thanks to Sister Renzi and Sister Renee, the principals of Carmel Convent High School, State and CBSE boards. Special thanks to all the loving sisters for your remarkable administrative skills for smooth to conduct all our national festive celebrations. I would like to thank my teachers, fellow teachers, for your hard work and dedication in organizing the event, which have been truly commendable. From rehearsing with the students to decorating the school premises, your efforts have not gone unnoticed. Special thanks to the technical support team, all the teachers, PATs and in charges of all the activities. Thank you for your unwavering support. Dear children, your enthusiasm and active participation have made this celebration truly special. Your performances, whether it was the march past, patriotic songs, dances, conversation, anchoring, and inspiring speeches, have showcased your talent and creativity. Keep going with the same spirit. I would like to thank our non-teaching staff for their support in ensuring the smooth conduct of this event. As we celebrate 76th Republic Day, let us remember the value of democracy, equality and justice enshrined in our Constitution. Let us try to be responsible citizens and work towards building a brighter future for our nation. With this, I remain. Jai Hind!